Welcome. Please meet Principal for the admission Mr. and Mrs. Michael in room number 8.
Thanks.
It's all right. In the principal's office.
Good morning, Mr. and Mrs. Michael. Thank you for coming in today. How can I assist you?
Good morning, Principal Lucas. We're here to inquire about the admission process for our son, Daniel. We want to get him admitted in your school.
Of course. We're always happy to welcome new students to our school. Could you provide me with some information about Daniel?
Certainly. Daniel is 9 years old, and he's currently in the 4th grade from MD International School.
Why do you want to get him admitted to our school?
We've recently moved into the area. We're looking for a school that will provide him with a supportive and enriching environment. We found these things in your school, and your school is also famous for discipline and good study.
Thank you for sharing that. We strive to create a positive learning environment for all our students. How much percentage has your son got?
He received an 85%. He is brilliant.
Well, what do you do, Mr. Michael?
I am a computer operator in multinational company.
What's your qualification, Mrs. Michael?
I am a dentist.
Could you take care of the studies of your child?
Rest assured, I will take full care of his studies.
If it is so, it will be better for your child. Yes, Daniel, how are you?
I am fine, sir.
Do you like our school?
Yes, I like it very much.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies are reading books and playing cricket.
Can you tell me the spelling of cricket?
Yes, it is C-R-I-C-K-E-T.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is maths.
Okay, now tell me the answer. 39 plus 39 minus 78.
The answer is 0.
Excellent, Mr. and Mrs. Michael. Your son is very intelligent. Yes, Mr. and Mrs. Michael, do you have any specific questions or concerns about the admission process?
We're mainly interested in knowing what documents or information you need from us to complete the admission process for Daniel.
We'll need Daniel's academic records, including transcripts from his previous school, as well as any health records and emergency contact information. If he has any special needs or accommodations, please let us know so we can ensure his needs are met.
Daniel doesn't have any special needs, but we'll make sure to provide all the necessary documentation and information you've mentioned.
Perfect. Once we have all the required documents, we'll review them and process Daniel's admission as quickly as possible. We'll also assign him to a class and introduce him to his teachers and classmates to help him feel welcome.
That sounds great. We're excited about the possibility of Daniel joining your school community. Thank you for your assistance with the admission process.
It's our pleasure. We look forward to having Daniel as part of our school. If you have any further questions or need assistance along the way, please don't hesitate to reach out.
Thank you, Principal Lucas. We appreciate your help. Have a good day.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful day as well, Mr. and Mrs. Michael.
Thanks for watching. Click this for watch more interesting videos.